Welcome back to Keep the Fees. In today's video, Sarah will guide you through how to access the Help Center and use our live chat support. From step-by-step instructions on building your POS system to live assistance from our team, we're here to help you every step of the way. Let's explore these features.
Up here on the right-hand side is our Help Center. This has all different help articles, including step-by-step instructions on how to build out the entire POS system. Please bear in mind that consent forms, contact forms, client databases, services, many other things my team can take on for you. You'll send all of that information to onboarding at keepthefees.com, and we'll be in communication with you to build out all of your custom needs. In addition to that, we have down here the live chat. So this gives you access to our entire company, everyone from the developers to onboarding to management, as well as customer service. And also will save any previous conversations you've had. So if you need to go back in and reference, you can at this point.
Thanks for watching. Need more assistance or want to dive deeper into our resources? Visit our website in the description to sign up or book a demo today. We're here to make your shop's management seamless.